I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction, log on Ally Online. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ally Bank website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. This is where you can access all your account details. Step 3. Select the account. Choose a specific account for which you want to view the transaction log. This could be your checking or savings account. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for the transaction history link or button on the account overview page. Click on it to view all transactions. Step 5. Filter your transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options to specify dates or types of transactions. This can help you find specific entries faster. Just a heads up, sometimes the filter settings can reset if you navigate away from the page, so double check your selections before proceeding. I hope this helps you easily check your transaction log on Ally Online. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.